How you doing, Paige? You doing all right?
I'm freaking out, bro.
You and Presley, you okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Supposed to follow you, dude.
Why is she even
Flight crew, please prepare for takeoff.
Ian, you good, bro?
Yeah. But it's a lot more frozen than it would be.
Yeah. It is, yeah. They're not comfortable. It's crying babies. Crying babies.
Flight 229, you're clear for departure.
Officially taken land. This is actually pretty sad. Never mind. Whoa.
Hello. Thanks, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all have a great day. What is going on, guys? We made it. We made it safe and sound. And we got off the plane, had some food, and we are now in Cannon Town, and we're at the Royal Gorge, so we're going to check that out. Y'all never seen it before. What do y'all think about Colorado so far?
It's beautiful.
It's
beautiful. We're a little tired, but let's go check it out.
Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun. Press? Mm-hmm.
Wait, I'm gonna look down. Oh my! Yeah,
Oh man, that's shaky. Ian, what do you think about it so far?
I want to spit down there. I've already got my spit ready. Hello. I'm gonna show you my new apartment. Wait, so I can leave, so I'm gonna get. Okay. Follow me and I'll show you around.
I won. Here's our poker table.
Our pool table.
Okay, we're gonna play again.
And Paige just
Who's
won.
gonna play me, Dad?
Come along. Yes, we'll go in here. Very beautiful. I look beautiful too.
Ooh, I bet you.
That part is very slippery. Why don't you try slipping?
I'm good, thank you.
It's a beautiful kitchen. It's 8:51, but since we're in Colorado, it's 9:51, and Texas. Here's my room. Here's the fan that we hardly even get any wind from. I can't walk here.
What are you looking at?
We're looking at my bed over here.
Yeah, you're.
Yeah, I took my socks off while I was in bed because I thought it'd be more comfortable. And for some reason, Dad was playing it. He was playing Sonic, and he paused it right whenever he died. And now, one of my favorite rooms, the bathroom. One, because it's pretty, not because you could take a dump in it. And I like this jellyfish. It's probably made out of glass. Now the other bathroom. I don't like this one.
I know, I have no idea. I feel like then you're super caught off guard with like. Hold it down.
It's very cramped in here.
Hold it down.
Okay, we've looked enough in this room. Thanks for checking out the crib, and I'll see you next time.
Done. Can you do this?
I don't have much of a choice.